Alright guys, so I just wanted to start from scratch with you guys and letting you know how my switch of brokerages happened from beginning to end so that you guys can have a full understanding as to how this went. So basically I emailed my broker and I said, hey, I am seeking to leave the brokerage. Will you please release my listings as well as my license? I also let her know and gave her insight on why I was leaving, which was due to the foul play of someone she hired under her brokerage who represents her brokerage on the commercial side, which I am on, as well as the residential side. So I gave her insight. I told her I waited 2 months for her to make this right. She did not do it. So now I'm asking to leave. And I need you to release my listings and my license. So that being said, she claimed that night that she was working on it. I was going to give her till tomorrow afternoon, the next day. And then and that day came and it just was a whole bunch of commotion, and it all started because she contacted each of after releasing my license only. She released my license and she contacted all my clients, which I have 5. She contacted each of them to so-called tell them their options and whatever else she told them. Excuse me. With that being said, like, she caused a lot of back and forth. Now I have to speak with my clients and explain to them everything is okay. They're all like, I don't want any legal problems. This is what she calls, you know what I'm saying? On top of that, some other stuff was going on, and I'm just like, I don't get a break, but this is something I got to take care of. So, long story short, I'm here to tell you the proper way to go about changing brokerages. Number 1, if you have any listings, first, you change the status of them to either on hold or temporary withdrawn, or withdraw them. Have that good relationship with your clients. You'll be okay, because once you transfer, your listings will come with you. That's like the easiest one, as long as your clients are on board to withdraw them. But in doing so, you have to have your broker sign off on them. So that's what I feel like I should have done. I should have went to her with all my paperwork, saying, look, here's the withdrawal forms. I need them signed. And also attached here is the change form, because I'm also seeking to be released from the brokerage. So that could have saved me a lot of hassle, having all those documents prepared prior to just her releasing me and contacting my clients and all the drama. You know what I'm saying? So to prevent drama, hopefully you could prevent drama, because some people like drama. In this case, I didn't expect the drama. I just thought that she was well-rounded, at least enough to, not cause all the extra headache that happened here. But you never know. You never know until it happens. So this is what happened. Now I'm stuck waiting it's going to be about 7 to 10 days altogether, because it's also a holiday. It's the New Year's coming in. So with that being said, it's Friday. MLS closed at 1 o'clock today. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, they're going to be closed. Now the processing starts again. So, I guess that'll be either the end of next week or the beginning of the following week, which hopefully it don't take that long, because guess what? My listings are showing up under the brokerage, because in all reality, they own the listings, whether they got it or not, whether they helped you get it or not. In my case, I got all my listings myself. It's my own doing. So you should want to release them. But that's the proper way to go about it, you guys. Don't sit back and allow the same mistake to happen to you. That's what this page is all about. I hope you learned a lesson too. Bye.